Hi guys, it's me again, Glad. And for today's video, it's just a short video. I'm just going to share with you the other platform that I am affiliated with aside from Chipans group or Bunny English. So this is PREPLY. I think you have heard about this platform before. So my profile has already been approved in PREPLY, but that was like 1 month ago. But since it's very busy in Bunny English, so I don't open some slots here. But I received a message from one of the students, but I was not able to reply to him because of the busy schedule. So for today, I just like to impart with you and to inform you about the steps of making a profile or creating a profile in PREPLY. So PREPLY actually it is a booking system, but there is also an opportunity to get direct students in PREPLY. So, okay. So first you have to just type in preply.com and then you can just click on this, become a tutor. And then there you can just, I already have an account, so I'm just going to guide you through the steps. Okay, and then later on I will show you how it looks like. So you can just enter your email. So like this. It could be Gmail or it could also be Yahoo Mail. And then your password and then sign up with email. Okay, I'll just try to sign up with another email. But I already have my account here. And then you can just follow the steps here. So first you have about, photo, description, video, availability, and also last part is the verification. So this last part, it will take maybe 2 to 5 days, I'm not sure. But my account was verified maybe 2 days. 2 days after I made a profile or I created a profile. So you could just fill them out. First name, last name, country of origin, Philippines. And also there's subject taught. So there's English, Spanish, French, Japanese, German, Russian, Chinese, Italian. There's even arts, music, acting skills. So name it, whatever subject that you feel interested about teaching and you feel that you're comfortable teaching and you think that you could help the students in these subjects, you could just choose that subject. Like for me, English language. And then this is the best part, you can set your own rate. $10 per hour or $12, it depends. If you know that you're really very skillful about the subject that you're going to teach your students, so then set your hourly rate higher. As for me, I just set my hourly rate $5. And eventually, you can also change your hourly rate. It depends on you. If you think that you are very confident about your teaching skill of the said topic or subject, then go ahead, just set it on a higher rate. And then, of course, your number. Next, you could have, so I couldn't push through because I already have an account here. But I'm trying to show it to you and see what would happen. I might double it. Wait, I think I could just change my name. This is just for example, because I already had an account there, and then you can set your own photo. You have a guideline here. Smile and look at the camera, frame your head and shoulders. Your photo is centered and upright. You can just make sure that you look presentable. So you could just follow these guidelines. And then third step is a profile description. So you have to update or create a new profile headline and description. It will appear on your tutor card on the Find Tutors page. So here you have an example, certified tutor with 5 years of experience. So I could say certified tutor with 9 years of experience. Okay, about the tutor, for example, I have been teaching. It is just make sure that it's just 250 characters. So for example, I typed something here. It says here make it at least 250 characters. And then click on next. And then you have to record your video. Show students your teaching style and personality. Or you can also paste a link to your video if you have it in YouTube or Vimeo. There, you could just paste it here. And then let me just, because I want you guys to know how it looks like. So you can just copy the link and then go back here and then paste it here. Okay, but if you don't want, you could just record. And then click next again. I'm afraid that it would push through because I already have an account. Okay, set your time zone. Is this your current time zone? And then you can just set it here. Okay, just for example, it's the current time zone you have. So, and finally, you have here the availability. So you could set your availability like from 9 a.m. till 17 o'clock. There, Monday to Sunday. So it depends on you. Okay, next. And then you have the profile verification. Confirm your identity. Become a verified tutor. Please upload a photo of you holding your passport. Make sure your passport's photo page is open with your name and face clearly visible. Upload documents if you have. Okay, here's the thing. In my case, I don't have a passport yet, but I just use my SSS ID and then take a photo and then upload it here. And then luckily, they honored it. So they verified my account. Okay, so you could just also do that. I just tried and then I took a photo of me holding my SSS ID. Okay, whatever ID you have, for so long as that ID is a government issued ID, you can just upload it. Upload it here if you're ready. You could upload it. And then you could just click this complete registration. And then wait for 2 days, 2 to 3 days or 2 to 5 days for you to be verified. And then as I've said, I'm already verified. So I got the message. This was June. Oh, yeah. This was June 12th when they verified my account. So they said it's the start of a great journey. Dear Gladys, welcome to PREPLY. You're ready to help students from all over the world prepare to speak confidently. To help you start smoothly, we invite you to join our 3-part webinar series. They also have webinar, and this is very helpful. They would ask you to book your spot. You could learn how to get more students, like that. So I'm not very much knowledgeable about their system. Just after the summer vacation in Bunny English, I would also open some slots here. I will also show you how it looks like. Okay, so here is my account. You have the dashboard. Okay, there. So this is the dashboard. You also have my lessons, no lessons yet. I could also find student, and then I clicked on that. Here is what, so you could find students there. Okay, so there's a lot of students. All right. And then, of course, this platform is also to find tutors. So, as I've told you earlier, I received a message from a student who want to improve his writing skill. If your profile is already visible, the students could also send you a message, just like this one. So this person contacted me, and then he said he attempted International English Language Testing System one time, and my writing and speaking scores are not good, as according to the required by the international universities. So basically this person needs help, or this student needs help with his writing and speaking. So there, students can find you, and you can also find students. You can set your own rate. The steps are very easy. Okay, so that's just about it for today. Please, if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on my next video.